Hi guys, hi Skateboarders. So I know you're all eager to hear an update, and I've been really sick actually over Easter. Had some virus and couldn't walk for a few days, just had to rest. And last night, my ear just woke up in the middle of the night and just excruciating pain in my ear. So apologise if my voice is a little bit off, but I just felt that I needed to talk to you guys, the backers, the people that have invested in this business, who are waiting on their Raptor 2s. It's my job to keep you informed to my best ability, and I need to tell you what's going on. It's not always good news, as you know. Unfortunately, we missed our targets again. We were promised 110 units to be built in March. This is going back, back before the Chinese New Year and everything. We've been planning this back so far back, like December, to get these boards built in March, and we calculated how many we could do, and it was 110, and they were meant to be built around the 22nd of March, and it didn't happen. It didn't really happen. I mean, work started, assembly started, but there was a problem with the seal. We didn't have the new seal that is meant to go in the lid to improve the ingress protection, which I don't know. I don't know why it's not ready. I submitted the design, approved the design back in December, and it just hasn't come. So we decided to hand cut the silicon, which, I mean, it's literally a sheet of silicon, and you cut a rectangle shape out of it and you stick it into the lid. It's the simplest thing, but hand cutting stuff is not how you do manufacturing on large scale. That's how you might build a few boards in your garage. But anyway, we decided we have to hand cut it and install it. Anyway, as of last night, only 10 boards were finished, which is just incredible that is the outcome after all this time talking about these things, planning, making sure everything's right. 10 boards were done. So I blew up big time. I was so pissed off at that. It made me think that all of the decisions I've made over the last few months have been wrong. It made me question my direction. Anyway, our assembly team got their act together during the middle of the night and made another 50. So we got 60 done. And as far as I can tell, there are actually 110 built, just not with the correct seal. The assembly factory wanted to send it out with the old foam seal that isn't up to spec. And I said no. I said it can't go out because we've told everyone that it's got the new seal in it. So we got 60 out. It's there's a Chinese holiday coming the next 4 days, so nothing's gonna happen. And yeah, we got 60 out. I mean, technically it wasn't even in March, was it? So March was a complete disaster. April, I guess, we're off to a good start. We've got 60 out in April. So yeah, I mean, sometimes I wish I just build them in my freaking garage. I could build quite a number of them, I reckon. But anyway, that's the latest news, guys. That's the reality of things. We are pushing forward. We will get everyone's order out. I'm confident that things are going to speed up. It's just a matter of getting all of the parts that we insist on having in the correct specification, about actually getting them. I mean, it's the ridiculous thing about this. These are simple parts, and it takes months and months and months to actually get them. It's like the wheel fiasco. Anyway, this is obviously how manufacturing goes, guys. So that's the truth. I hope you don't smash me too hard. But yeah, more boards will go out, and I'll keep pushing on. That's the best we can do for now. I'm going to go lie down and rest because I'm not feeling great. See yous.